Hi, this is Navya from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about LifterLMS engagements. So in LifterLMS, we have three kind of engagements. If you get engagements, and under these engagements, you will get achievements, certificates, and emails. So these three engagements will trigger on some specific events. For example, I want to send an email or certificate or achievements when someone will complete a course, or maybe when someone will complete a lesson. So if in this scenario you can use the engagements. So let's say I want to send a certificate to my students when they will complete a course. That time we can select the certificate from here, or then we can add engagements. So in this video I'll discuss all about engagements. So now I want to show you some examples from here. So if you visit add engagements, so in this add new engagements, we have engagement types. And here we have award and achievement, certificate, or email. That means we can select a specific engagement types. Let's say I want to award a certificate. So first of all, I have to select award a certificate from this engagement types. And now the question is when I want to send this certificate, when I want to award the certificate. So for that, we have to select the event that if student complete a course, they will get a certificate, or if they do that, they will get a certificate. So from this triggering event, we can select a specific actions that when we want to send a certificate. So in this, from this triggering event, you can select any specific one. We have many options. Maybe I want to select, I have selected student complete a course. That means when my student will complete a course, they will get a certificate. You can choose any options from here. We have a lots of options. You can manage the combination as per your requirements. So from these triggering events, you can select a specific events, and when you will select the events, they will, and if your student meets that condition, they will get a certificate. So this is how it actually works. So for example, if you choose that I want that when someone will complete a course, they will get a certificate, that time we can select a specific course also from here. Also, you can say instead of the certificate, you can send an email, send an achievement, and it will work exactly like same. The process is same. So to creating the engagements, we have to follow two steps. Step one, for let's say I will show you the certificate example. So the step one will be I have to create certificate template, then I have to add engagements. So the step one will be first, if I want to work with certificate, I have to visit this certificates option to create a certificate first. So this is the step one. So now I have to create a certificate. We have to click on add certificate template. And now I can modify or create my certificate. We already have tutorial on how you can create and modify your certificate or design your certificate. So I'm not showing you those. I'm just showing you an example. So from here, first of all, I have to add my certificate title. So from here, I will add it. I will just modify the font size. Then I will add title for this certificate from here. So it will be demo course. And now I will publish it. I will not modify anything here. So I have to publish it now. So this was our step one. And the step two will be we have to add new engagements. So for that, we have to click on add engagements. We have to add engagement title. So I'm adding my engagement title here. We have to select now triggering events. Then when we want to send a certificate, I have selected when student will complete a course. Now I have to select a specific course. So the combination is when someone will complete my demo course, they will get a certificate. So I have selected award certificate, and now we have to select an engagements that we have created. As you have seen on the step one, we have created the certificate, and now in this select an engagement, we have to select that certificate, and that is demo course. So I have to select that demo course here. This one. So when someone will complete my demo course, they will get this demo course certificate. So now if I want, I also can view it from here. So if I click on view, I'll be able to see the demo of my certificate. So this is how actually the certificate look like. And now I will publish it. So we have followed two steps. We have created certificate, then we have created a new engagements. Now I will show you the achievement badge as well. So first off, we have to follow the same process. On the step one, we have to create an achievements, and step two, we have to add new engagements. So for creating achievements, we have to click on this achievements option, this one. So we have to always follow the two steps for any engagements. So first of all, I will click on achievements because I need to follow the step one. So I will click on add achievement template. Then I will add achievement title. So you can add the achievement title that will be visible on for your user. And also you can add achievement content, but I'm leaving this as it is. Also, you can modify the image or you add new image, and you can add new image, but I'm just leaving those as it is. So I'll publish it. So now we have to follow the step two. We have to add new engagements. So for that, we have to follow the same process. We have to visit add engagements, and then we have to add engagement title. So I want maybe a batch for demo course. Then we have to select triggering events. So I want that when someone will complete a lesson, they will get this badge. So I'll select that, and then I have to select the specific lesson, which lesson I'm referring here. So I have to select a specific lesson. So I'll search for that maybe. This one. So when someone will complete this lesson, they will get an achievement badge. So now we have to select the engagement type. Here we have to select the engagement. So I want this demo course achievement. So we also have in engagement delay option. For example, if you add 2 here, that means if someone complete the lesson, they will get the achievement badge after 2 days. So basically, this trigger will wait for 2 days and then they will get the achievement badge. For example, if you want that if someone complete a course, they will get the certificate after a certain time period. That time you can use the engagement delay. And if you leave this blank, that means this trigger will work immediately. So now, if I show you how it will look as a student, so I'm visiting on a private window, and I will enroll the course first to show you all the scenario that what is happening. So if I click on sign me up, first of all, I have to enroll in this course. So I'm in my first name and last name. So now if I click on enroll now, so here is my course. So what I will see that when I will complete my first lesson, I will get an achievement, and when I will complete the whole course, I will get a certificate. So let's see. So if I click on get started, I will be on my first lesson. So if I complete this lesson, I will get an achievement badge. So I'm clicking on mark complete. So let's see, you have been awarded an achievement. So if I visit my dashboard, I will see that I have received achievement badge for completing my first lesson. So if I click on my achievements, so here is the achievement badge for demo course. So now if I complete the course, I will get a certificate. So let's see, I will just click on mark complete. I'm just showing you example. So this one is my last lesson. See, you have earned a certificate. So if I again visit my dashboard and refresh it, if I visit my certificates, I will get my certificate. So here is the certificate for demo course. So if I open it, so here is the certificate. So this is how actually the engagement works. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.